you should be disqualified. No? First question on the screen for you. 1918, 1924, 1936. Now let's see how many. Please come. All in 94. Okay. Is drawn by which of the following painters? That is, one is Luke Fildes, Frederick Leighton, Richard Dad, and Edward Robert Hughes. Answer is Luke Fildes. Luke Fildes is the answer. Okay? And that's the position at the end of question number 2. KMC Manipal is leading, but it can keep on changing. Okay. Question number 3. In which year was copper chelation with dipensylamine for Wilson's disease first introduced? 1956, 1993. Chelation for dipensylamine for Wilson's disease first introduced in which year? 1912, 1948, 1956, 1993. 6. So what's the position? KMC Manipal continues to lead. In 1981, unexplained occurrence of pneumocystis cerevisiae and Kaposi sarcoma in homosexual men led to the recognition of which of the following diseases? Tuberculosis, AIDS, Castle forest disease, primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. Only at the end of 30 seconds. Please don't discuss. I told you, many of you are close. You just okay. Don't allow your answer to go to the other person. Then you say, oh yes, 80. How many? 82 out of 91. Why the other 10 didn't answer? Why the other 9 didn't answer? HIV. KMC Mangalore number 2. KMC Manipal. Fine. Question 2. The term epigenetics was coined by Andrew Taylor Still, David Palmer, Luke Fildes, Conrad Reddington. The term epigenetics was coined by whom? Five seconds less, all of them are not others in the partial audience. Okay, then Conrad Reddington. How many answers? 55. So that finishes the section on history of medicine. And the leaders are KMC Manipal, number 2 is KMC Mangalore, number 3 is Kanacho. Okay, that is the thing. So suddenly on the last question also somebody can come on top. Okay, so we have the next section, that is cardiology. Question number 1 in cardiology, 6 question number 1 in cardiology. On an average, the percentage of patients who complain of chest pain due to IHD is 73%, 50%, 31%, 18%. The percentage of people who complain of chest pain in ischemic heart disease is 10 seconds left. 76. 90 have answered. And the correct answer is 31%. So a lot of people don't complain of chest pain. 31% only. Okay. So what's the position? Same, huh? So the position is the same, I think, almost. Okay, 7th question on the screen for you. Second question on cardiology. Out of the following cardiac conditions, the murmur becomes longer and louder with Valsalva maneuver in mitral collapse, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, mitral stenosis, mitral regurgitation. So the murmur becomes louder and longer with Valsalva's maneuver in which of the conditions? Eighth question on the screen for you. Third question in cardiology. Marked limitation of physical activity comes under which of the following classes of the NYHA functional classification? 1, 2, 3, 4. So marked limitation of physical activity comes under which NYHA class? Okay, so most of you got the answer. Class 3. Class 3. Leads and question number 9 that depicts what type of chaotic pulse? Normal, Vesperians, anacrotic, dichrotic. What is it? 60 have answered. 5 seconds left. All have not answered yet, so we cannot give it to the audience. 17 only answered. Check. Normal carotid pulse. Very poor clinical skills. KMC Manipal and then question number 10 on the screen for you. Yes, the ECG shown in the picture suggests what? Atrial flutter, ventricular tachycardia, supraventricular tachycardia, atrial fibrillation. 88. Okay. What's the answer? 36 only have answered correctly. Atrial flutter. That finishes the section. So what's the position say? Same. KMC 1. KMC number 1 and other 4. Yes. So that question is okay, right. What's the answer? Mefloquine. 31 have got it right. Got it right. So what's the position at the end of question number 18 actually? KMC Manipal leads. Kanachur number 2, number 3 is who? Kanachur number 3. The following image of classic truncal distribution of lesions is suggestive of which of the following diseases? Dengue, Kaposi sarcoma, psoriasis, tinea. 91 done. Kaposi sarcoma, how many have answered correctly? 59. See, the beauty of this quiz is we actually know how many have answered correctly. You know your marks, no negative marks. It's actually the best way of quizzing. The Kahoot app is the best way. Equal chances for all. And okay, so that finishes the section on infectious diseases. Neurology. Tumors or aneurysms at the jugular foramen cause compression of which cranial nerves? 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. 9th, 10th and 11th. Tumors at the jugular foramen. Seconds, last 3. Done. So what's it? 9th, 10th and 11th. 46 have answered correctly. 46. Same. Question number 20. Picture shows a section of the brain with the normal brain on the left and diseased brain on the left. On the right, sorry. Which disease is it? Alzheimer's, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, Parkinson's disease, vascular dementia. So this is the picture, and we want to tell us. Please don't. No, see, if you tell the answers, you will be losing. Don't only because the crowd is. So you will be losing. We will not be the loser. 80, 91, yes. 60 have answered. Parkinson's disease. So the position continues the same. KMC 1, Manipal is leading. So question number 23 on the screen for you. Which of the following hyperkinetic movement disorders is defined as rapid, semi-purposeful, graceful, dance-like, non-patterned involuntary movements involving distal or proximal muscle groups, tremors, dystonia, myoclonus, chorea. Have answered. Time is up, I think. So what's the answer? 5 more seconds is left. 5 more. Yes. What's the answer? Chorea. 85 answered correctly. Very good. Very good. Same position. Question number 24. Which among the following anti-epileptic drugs is the first line treatment for treatment of typical absent seizures? Valproic acid, phenytoin, levetiracetam, and clonazepam. Treatment for absent seizures, typical absent seizures. Are answering. 77. 5 seconds left. 91. All answered. So the answer is valproic acid. How many answered? 49 only. My God. Dr. Ratnakar will be embarrassed, I think. So much he has taught you. Exactly halfway through the quiz. Question number 25. Position is shown on the screen. Fourth, NFI has jumped to fourth. Fifth. Hemiparesis. MRI brain was done and coronal post-contrast T1 weighted image shows the following findings. What's the diagnosis? You have your neurocystic cirrhosis, cerebral abscess, then you have your cerebrovascular accident, you have your cerebral malaria. 10 seconds left. 68 have answered. 71 have answered. 91 have answered. Good. So, cerebral abscess. 34 have answered correctly. And we'll see the position at the midway stage. What's it like? KFC Manipal. There was a fellow called Abebe Bikila. I told last year also, but same thing I'm repeating. Ethiopian, he was the guard to Haile Selassie, the famous Ethiopian emperor. Haile Selassie, Abebe Bikila used to run with the barefoot, marathon runner. And he used to be languid till the last laps. The last lap was too much. He used to win the marathon with the barefoot. So their last laps are important. Every question is important. One of the quizzes which I did, 49 questions, one fellow led. 50th question, somebody came up. So it depends on the rapidity of the answer. So don't get disheartened. Everybody participate. Everybody try to answer. You should get it right. And don't discuss loudly, then you will be losing marks. So, statins. And how many have got it right? 58. Not enough. I would expect more people. Okay. Question now. Same position. Criteria for diagnosis of acute rheumatic fever. Which of the following is not included? Carditis, chorea, erythema marginatum, fever. Damn simple question. This I think if you don't get it, I will resign from my post as HOD of medicine. Already my dean is telling we are not teaching enough in medicine. 87 have answered. Okay. 87 answered. 71 have answered. Sorry. These are not good, man. Fever. Come on. Major criteria, minor criteria. So that position is the same. Question number 32. Yes, the diagnosis of the below endoscopic image is erosive gastritis, esophageal stricture, Barrett's metaplasia, adenocarcinoma, esophagus. Is linear serpiginous ulcers, cobblestoning of the mucosa. What disease is there? Ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, IBS, Carcinoma of colon. 75, 76, 80. 89 have answered. Time up till then. Done. What's the answer? Crohn's disease. 74 answered. Okay, good. Pathology and position. Maintenance intravenous fluid therapy for acute pancreatitis is administered at 1 to 2 ml per kg per hour, 2 to 3 ml per kg per hour, 3 to 4 ml per kg per hour, 4 to 5 ml per kg per hour. Last question in gastroenterology and 35th question of the quiz. Per hour, 29 have answered it correctly, and let us see the leaderboard. Any changes, Shishira? Same. I would expect the interns to get active. Questions over, and we are going to the section on nephrology. That's the 36th question. This is the position on the leaderboard, and each team will have your marks in your mobile. Yes. Urinary sediment shows granular casts in the setting of AKI. Which of the following conditions could be a probable cause? ATN, acute cellular allograft rejection, malignant hypertension, acute uric acid nephropathy. Yes. What's the answer? Acute tubular necrosis. 64 have answered correctly. And let's go back to the leaderboard. Any changes or same? Same. Question number 37 overall. Identify decubitus ulcer, tumoral calcinosis, calciphylaxis. And 6 seconds left. Yes, it's done. Calciphylaxis. How many have answered correctly? 37 have answered correctly. I think it's a good number. So, how many answered correctly? Activation of the complement cascade. 44 have answered correctly. That completes the section on nephrology. Now, okay, no changes. For you, question on oncology. Nickel dust is a suspected carcinogen of which of the following conditions? Bladder, skin, lung, breast seal. So, 70, 71. 5 seconds left. Okay, what's the answer? Lung cancer. 22 have answered. Not very good. Central. So Arif can sign checks worth 1 crore along with the pen. Arif is kaun banega crorepati. Okay, no problem. Okay. The following image shows large cells with bilobe nucleus, prominent nucleoli, surrounded by a pleomorphic cellular infiltrate. What are they known as? Orrod cells, Burkitt cells, Seligman cells, Reed-Sternberg cells. Done? What's the answer? The last option. Reed-Sternberg cell. 83 change in the leaderboard. Any change in the leaderboard or same? Same one. Fourth and fifth. Minor changes. Question number 48. Question number 48. We are coming to the end of the quiz. Okay, the question is the Bombay blood group is ABHI. One from the audience. So one has answer still. Yes. Audience. Okay. Okay, this is why I think we should Hari Shetty. Dr. Hari Shetty, the medical superintendent of Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences, formerly HOD of Department of Gynecology, Shema. Shavani, and Hari Shetty will sign all the termination notices with that pen. Third is Kanachur, of course, Akshay, that will no problem. Second is Shema. Yeah, K-Sector team number 1. And the leader is KMC Manipal. Anirudh Raghav, that will be an answer given later on. The prize is there. Because team number 4, fourth position, Yanapaya 5, team number 5. Fifth position, Kanachur team number 16. What was the second Kanachur? The other team was that is which position? Third was Kanachur 27. 5 teams will get, first and second team will get a trophy and prizes sponsored by the trophies, of course, from us. Prize of which about 70 are from Kanachur. But since it's an open quiz, any number of teams from colleges can come. And the motive is to have it as a state level quiz. We have been trying, but of course, we have circulated all the colleges in the state. Today we had teams from Sulya, KVG Sulya, I think 2 teams came. I would like to thank the HOD, Professor Dr. C.R. Bhatt, for sending the teams. We had 7 teams from Yanapaya Medical College, and I would like to thank the HOD, Dr. Mukhtar, for sending 7 teams from Yanapaya Medical College. We had 1 team from KSEGDE Medical Academy, 1 team, no? Yeah, 1 team, and I would like to thank Professor Dr. Sudhindra for sending the team. We had 1 team from AJ Institute of Medical Sciences. I would like to thank Professor Dr. B.S. Shetty for sending the team. We had 4 teams from KMC Mangalore. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Satish Rao for sending them. And 1 team, I think, from KMC Manipal. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Raviraj Acharya. So all in all, 91 teams participated and the prize winners list will be given to you. I thank all the students for having participated in the true spirit of the competition. And I would like to thank, I already thanked the computer specialist, that is Mr. Praveen Udupa from A1 Logics, for ensuring that the whole quiz went on in a very nice manner. In fact, this is the best way to conduct the quiz. Suppose you have the round robin, then there is chance for some luck. Suppose you have your buzzer, you cannot take more than 10 teams. In this you can take up, I have done 200 teams for a general knowledge. And there you don't need to, just people can sit side by side, don't have a table. And the questions were quite good. And again, I would like to thank my student, of course no longer is a staff member of our college, Dr. Cheryl James, for preparing the questions. I would also like to thank our management, because the entire quiz is sponsored by the college. I would like to thank our director and the chairman for helping us out in this academic exercise. In fact, they have been helping us, all the departments in CMEs and all the programs. They want more and more of academic festivals to happen. I would like to thank Rotarian MB Malya, Vasant Malya, for covering this. This will come in at least about 9 to 10 papers, including English papers. And I would like to thank Surendra Karkera. I would expect the same participation next year also. There is a PG medical quiz on the first week of December, and there also, of course, the postgraduates will be participating. So with these few words, with the promise that this quiz will go on for in the years to come with the same quality, I remain yours truly. Thank you.
Director of Kanachur Health Sciences and Medical Trust, Mr. Abdul Rahman, and my other colleagues at the head table, as well as young friends who have come from various colleges as well as our own college. It is indeed gratifying to say a few words here on this occasion. Let me congratulate the quiz master, Dr. Devdas Rai, for putting a lot of effort along with the backup team of Malya and others who are here to give it visibility. It really requires a year-long preparation. And when I see this, I'm a bit nostalgic because way back in, I think Satyamurthy Aithad is only one person in this audience who is a little senior to me. There used to be Professor M. Srinivasan, the then HOD surgery and the Vice Principal of KMC. His general knowledge quiz, which used to be held in Town Hall, Mangalore, which used to be packed to capacity. There used to be people standing. So yesterday I was telling somebody, I think that was Shravya, that you have to predict the question and then answer. That kind of students are also there, even here in this college. I'm proud to say that. In front of the director, I'm proud to say that. That kind of students are there in this college also. In my earlier college, I can see quite a few people sitting there, KMC Mangalore, and I must tell KMC Manipal also that is my alma mater, because those days it was a single college. First MBBS in Manipal and then Mangalore. So I am proud that both KMC, when I am asked what is your alma mater, where did you say? I am always KMC Manipal is my Janma Bhumi and Mangalore is my Karma Bhumi, like that. So both the colleges have done very well. I am proud of you. But then the fact of the matter is that these kind of events bring the camaraderie and friendship and fellowship between the students. And I say that it's like cross ventilation. Otherwise, you will be thinking like you are a frog in the well, that kind of thing. So, congratulations to management of this institution for encouraging these kind of activities. And I thank the dean for having supported so many teams to come from our college. With these few words, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts.
Announce the first 5 top teams of KIMS UG MediQuiz 2023-24. I would like to call upon Dr. Harish Shetty Sir, Medical Superintendent, to give away the prize. In 5th place, we have Shravya and Megha from Kanachur Institute of Medical Science.
By the side of sir. Both of you hold your certificates. Come to me. Sir. All the best.
First of all, congratulations to all the 91 team members who have come there and participated in this Kanachur KIMS UG MediQuiz 23-24. The congratulations, because without you participants, the quiz wouldn't have happened, and without, everybody has, although 5 teams have won, here everybody has won something or the other, that is knowledge. Nobody has lost anything. They have come with a true spirit of competition, with to gain more knowledge, and also, as Dr. Vipra Prabhu sir rightly said, it is a cross ventilation between different institutions, and also you get to learn from your teachers from different colleges, as well as meet new people and expand your horizon.
Congratulate all the participants and the winners.